Now, the last time I drove a Camaro was in the wet, in the middle of winter. Whoa. Whoa. It's not ideal. So, to make up for that sort of tempered experience, I guess you'd say, HSV has invited me, as part of a bunch of journalists, down to Hampton Downs today to experience the ZL1 and this SS in the dry, on a track, under the tuition of Mr. Greg Murphy, who apparently is a reasonable driver himself. Now, you can't be too careful these days of COVID-19. I'm going to wear some driving gloves because I know some of the people who've driven this car around here before me, and I wouldn't say they're unhealthy, but you know, you can't have too much protection, can you, these days?
Holy shit!
I came prepared.
Holy shit!
Well, you've had a hold of the steering wheel too.
So if Corona wasn't around, you wouldn't be wearing them.
Oh no.
Oh right.
So yes, it's nice to be in a Camaro without the constant pitter-patter of tiny raindrops on the roof.
What are you doing moving your hands around the steering wheel like that?
Eh?
What are you doing moving your hands around the steering wheel like that?
Oh, listen, the bloody...
Your hands do not move on the steering wheel.
Okay.
That's
Jeez.
where they stay. Do not move them from there. And what are you gonna do? Are you gonna break the lap record on the out lap?
No.
Before you start trying to drive fast,
Yes.
have a look at the racetrack. And now see where you are?
Yes.
You've got all that track on the outside which you didn't use. Do not touch the throttle until I tell you when. And you're on the throttle.
I'm not.
We can see your foot pressing the throttle.
It's just resting.
Don't rest.
Oh, he's tough, isn't he?
Yeah, I am tough.
Okay.
You're on the outside when you should be a little bit close to the inside. And now you're on the inside when you should be on the outside. But don't do that. Keep turning. No. Turn harder, turn harder, turn harder, turn harder. Over here a bit. Now start to go in. You can't just go straight back to the gas and expect the gas. So there's no brake involved in this corner, obviously. So don't touch the... No, you've gone off the throttle, off the brake. Don't move your hands around the steering wheel. Relax the arms.
I moved my hands on the steering wheel. I'm sorry.
Don't go out there.
I won't.
Remember, use the road. Oh, look at the corner. Where's it going? Oh shit! I think he got it. I think you got. Oh my god! I think.
Don't give it away. Don't give it away.
Yeah, bring it in.
Well, I'd like to say it's been a pleasure, but it has been. It's bloody hard work. It's really hard work to get it right. And this
so
guy.
Now you've got a new appreciation for people like me.
Well, thank you. Thanks, Greg.
I'm a muscle car guy. So we're in the ZL1, which has obviously a reasonably good powertrain. You know, 650 odd horsepower and about 880 newton meters of torque, so pretty staggering kind of numbers. I mean, this is a wild car. It's a wild car, and treated without respect, you are going to find yourself in the poo pretty quickly, right? And with the rate of acceleration like that, you know, you need the brakes, you need the chassis, you need everything, because, you know, it's not just about engine grunt, because you get to point B very, very quickly.
Yeah, for sure.
It can get away from you.
I did notice you took your hands on the steering wheel there.
Sorry. I love this corner.
Well, thank you, Greg. It's been a delight. It's great to see what all the lessons add up to in the end, and yeah, really just
I reckon we could get
awesome.
You there.
Well, thank you. That's very kind.
I reckon there's you know, I reckon I could get you there. 2026 maybe. Less than a week.
You're far too kind. I've been just overawed by how the ZL1 goes on the track, and particularly in the hands of Greg, who was just such a gifted driver. It's unfunny, and I was quite humbled by the way he spoke to me. Actually, I thought I could drive reasonably well, but apparently not. There are still SS and ZL1s available in New Zealand, so pop down to HSV if you want to get yourself some shits and giggles, because that's what these cars are all about, shits and giggles. Greg Murphy, yeah, he's an okay driver.